Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make simple inventory system. For that, welcome back to my channel. If you are still new on Construct 3, better watch from the first start of my tutorial video. So this is actually not a beginner tutorial, but I will try to make this tutorial simple, so for you guys who still new in the construct, hope you understand what I on this tutorial. First, I have array object that have width 15 and 2 for height and 1 for depth. So for whoever that still don't know about array, I will show you a little. So array is object that store your variables, is like this. This in with for 15 that you have 0 until 14 for x is. Then for height, it means that you have two y-axis. For this one, if you see that, there are 2 0. If you have 3, then 3 0. So that's all. And I have background, it's just a background. Then I have inventory background here, and I have inventory holder that each inventory holder has one number variables, instant variables. Then it has boolean that initial value set it to false. So this inventory holder just multiple sprite that I copy and paste, and I give a different number in folder. So this number will connect to an array I create before. Then the last I have items which has 4 instance variable. First one it's initial x, and the second one initial y, and the third one initial number. Initial number is connected also with the inventory holder. So if your item in the second number, so it will written 1 for the initial. And initial x and y meaning that your item on first place. If you are dropping on the second one, you will have initial x and y in here. And if you have your item in the third one, you will have initial x and y third folder. I will show you later. Then I have the last I have name containing the name of items. Then the last I have behavior for drag and drop. So let's start on making the event. First I will add some item or one item on random folder. Random start layout, and add blank sub event, then click random instance of inventory holder. Then I will create or spawn on spawn another object items with hero layer and image point. So when I start the layout, will spawn another items for random place. Okay, so able to drag but still not. Then to continue, you need to set your initial x to inventory holder for time. Set value initial X to folder X. Then copy and paste. Do the same for the Y and Y in that. Then the initial number to inventory number. So I will show you after. Okay, then next one I will try this to make sure. Items, then it has the initial X for each folder. Items, see it's using the initial number of the holder. As you can see here, 5, it has number 5. Okay, let's continue with the array. I will set the array and Y to inventory holder number that is 0 and value to 1. Why I set 1? Because I want to is make the holder boolean to check. So I will just copy and paste, do the same for the but change Y to 1. So I will change the height to the second one. I will set the value to the name of item. Okay, let's try it. Then I will check the array. It has this word on number 6, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here the item showing. Then I will set the inventory holder boolean to true. Okay, so your holder will set the boolean to true. You can see here the number 9, it has items, and else it doesn't have items because it's not having the item. Then I will continue with the drag and drop object. Items drop. Then I will add condition if the item overlapping another object inventory. Then if the inventory full doesn't have item, invert this one. So you can make the item that just copy and paste from here. Yes, so you don't need to twice copy and paste, but that item to position of holder. Then let's continue with the function. I will add function called update inventory with parameter. We'll add parameter that called name with string type string. Parameter again that using holder number. Then I will copy and paste and change this name to initial. Okay, then after you dropping the item and it's overlapping the holder while the inventory holder doesn't have item, so your item will set the init X to inventory holder X, then item initial Y to inventory holder initial Y. I mean the Y exit. So and set that, set the initial number to inventory holder number, then set your item position to the center of folder. Then I will call the function of update inventory. Name, I will set it to my item name. Then holder number, set it to inventory holder number. Then set the initial number to your item. Init num. So for the init num, you will use this array of this number. So I will set it above of initial number. Okay, then I will continue with the function. I will set the function to set array, then set x to inventory folder. Just use the parameter holder number, then y to 0 and value to 1. So just like this, same, but this is using the parameter holder number 1 to name. Okay, then I will erase the last array. I mean, after you drop into the new folder, if you start your item start here and you drop here, you will erase the array value of array on the last folder. So how to do that? I will just copy and paste and set value to initial number, set to 0, and then also with initial number 1 to 0. Okay, so we'll check the array. First, minus what is in here. I will try to set here. It's changing the position, so it still has the item. That's why I cannot put it here. I will try to put another folder here. See, it's working fine. If your folder has item, you cannot put here. It still doesn't have item. That's why I can put here. Then I will set the inventory boolean here to make that works. We'll set for each array, for each element, x and y, because we have 2D. Each element x and y as sub length event. Then array compare at array current 0. If not equal to 0, then I will make the blank sub event. Then inventory holder, that number of array current 8 to boolean, set boolean to true, because it will check your each array. If each array has current x 0, that means your inventory holder with the number of an array, it will set the true. It's not equal, yes, then it means that your current array it has item. So I will just make it for the doesn't have item. I just copy and paste. If equal to 0, then that the inventory holder which has number same of the current x of array, that boolean has item to false. Okay, then I will set this one. If it doesn't have item, it will drop the item. If it has the item, I will make this position of items back to the initial position. Self initial and self. Okay, so let's just try. At first, I will check the inventory holder if it has items. I will drop it here. It doesn't have item because that function called to erase this folder because it doesn't have item. If I put it here back again, it has item. Then I will check the array that drop to first one. It will set here, then set the second one. It will set the number second. So I guess it's already working fine. See, let's just try to add some another items. Maybe I will just take 4 2 times for looping index to 0, index to 1, and I will put here. Then I will set order it. So pick the inventory holder, compare instant variable number to loop index. So you will repeat twice here, and you will get twice inventory holder with different number. Then I will try to change the item. And here, so same. So maybe this will work, I guess. Alright, then if you want to put it here, you cannot because it has item. But if you want to put it here, it's working fine. And else, you're going to put here, you cannot, and vice versa. So that's all, I guess. That's all for me for the simple inventory system. If you like this video, please comment, like, and subscribe, and watch also my another video here. See you next time.